The study of architecture discipline is very special because it's a creative discipline and challenges the human creativity. And our course is specializing in design studio, which is teaching design. We integrate different aspects which relate to the human creativity, tectonics, and environmental study, urbanism, and humanity. Humanity refers to history and society, the living environment.
Our architecture program prepares our students for the future profession of architects. In our program, the main part is the design studio, where students develop their design project, and the process of design development is very similar to what architects do in their architecture offices. And to support the learning, there are also some theoretical programs where students learn the many other aspects which are important for architecture profession.
Our program provides some very unique modules. Actually, the whole curriculum is divided into 6 areas. First is history and humanities, and design studio, professional studies, and environmental science, tectonics, and also integrate design in architecture. The first 5 areas is quite common in the architecture programs, and the 6th one, integrate design in architecture, that is quite unique, like a bridge, link the knowledge students learned in the taught modules to the design studio.